But only in this situation, I generally say that never use approximate match, but only in this kind of situation, I am saying, please use
exact
one, which is approximate match. If you want to use VLOOKUP for this situation, what was the situation here? 0 to 5,000, 5,000 to 15,000, or just less than that, 15 to 24,999. So focus on the starting part. Let's say I type here 0 to this amount. Okay, so this is the description of the slab. But I am writing a point which is lower point of my range. 0 to 499, I have taken 0. 5,000 to 14,999, I have taken 5,000. So I have written those smallest point of the range. This much is clear. You are still able to understand that what will be the percentage in which range, right? I've just created a numeric column based on the starting position of that range. Now, once this is created, then if I write what is common between this and this, sales, right? This is based on sales amount. Now, if I write my VLOOKUP formula here, equal VLOOKUP, I am looking for this sale where maybe this is my table, which is named as commission rates, or you can use these three columns also. That's also fine. But because the table is there, I would like to use my table. Comma, which column will give you the percentage rate of commission in this table?
Second column.
Second column.
Rate.
Yeah, rate and second column. So numerically, it is second column. Comma, what kind of match? 0, and press enter. Now, when I press 0, what happens? It is looking for 12,450, which is not there in this list. So you said exactly find me. I am not able to find it exactly. But only in this situation, I generally say that never use approximate match. But only in this kind of situation, I am saying, please use
Exact
one, which is approximate match. And this gives me result. Now let's verify whether this result is correct or not. So here 10,260, which probably falls in this range, and 1% is the result. That's coming correct. Here it's 12,225, again same range, 1%. 15,700, 15 se zyada, less than 25, 2%. That result is also coming correct. So result is coming correct just by tweaking my simple VLOOKUP formula from 0 to 1. So writing the formula is much easier. And here you can keep these conditions, maybe 10 more slabs. Your formula will be still same length, same complexity, no problem. So that's why I say that don't misuse if function for so many situations. If function is made for 2 to 3 conditions, maybe 4 conditions, more than that, think of something else. Start preparing a table then. Now, one thing which is very important for this to work, not this formula. This formula will work only when these are placed in ascending order, starting from beginning to end. If let's say by any chance, I just sort them in a different manner. Let's say I sort it based on largest to smallest. Look at this, what happens here. Just by sorting. That's why we need to be very cautious when we are using approximate match, because it has a different logic. So one condition is always take the smallest portion of the range. There are 2 points in the range, take the smaller portion. And because we are taking the smaller portion, it should be sorted. The items should be sorted from lower to higher element. And then how it works? The approximate match either tries to find the same value if it is available in this list. If it is not available, it will try to find the nearest value on the lower side. Okay, so that's the logic. If you understand that logic, then keep using this. Until then, focus on if function. If that is not understood, focus on if function.